Morning, everybody. I'm back in the woods today. Hauling some more logs, man. It rained so much over the weekend. It's bad, buddy. But he managed to get a load out for me. I just got here to the woods. I'm getting a later start because he said, you know, it'd be a little bit till he got the road scraped off and everything. So but he got a load out for me. I'll show you right there. Good load of grade logs. Say good morning to the camera, Lily. Hi, Lily. Good dog. Yeah. It's muddy. You can see him down there. He just came out. He's backing up under another trailer. I just dropped my black trailer right there. And I got here about the exact same time he came out of the woods with this load, so. It's muddy, muddy, muddy. I'm not sure exactly how much rain we had, but I know we had a lot of flooding around this area over the weekend. Good load of grade logs. Yeah, you can see how muddy it is. Look at the wheels there. I don't know how deep he must have gone in the mud, but glad I didn't have to take my truck back there. I won't take my truck in the mud like that. Just stop. Whew, that's muddy. I do not like the mud, but glad we can work a little bit today. A good load of logs here. Yeah, look at all that mud. Just gonna ease real slow down that road there. Let it slowly sling the mud off. I don't want that getting on my truck. I'll pull up here, throw these straps over right quick. Hopefully today I can get some footage down at the mill in Huntland, Tennessee of unload. But we're going to try to do that. That way you can see where I'm unloading logs at. So, by Mr. David there, hooking to my log trailer, gonna get it loaded. I got the straps on, ready to rock and roll. Like a 2-hour road trip. This road's pretty decent, but on up there, it washed out pretty good. There's one big hill I gotta climb, and I noticed it was washed pretty bad on the sides there. So, hey, we're thankful we at least get to pull a couple loads today. A lot of folks are rained out, but these guys, they keep on working. Get you a little footage of us going out this dirt road. I don't normally film while I'm driving, but this is just a small little dirt road back in the woods. I figured it wouldn't be too dangerous to do a little bit of film. They already cut that section of woods there. You can see on the road there, obviously there was a lot of water ran through here because there's debris on the road. It's pretty country over here in the hills. Centerville, Tennessee. Yeah, you can tell it really must have come a gully washer down through there and all that. Those leaves and branches in the road there. Looks like some of the mud's coming off of my tires back here. I don't like mud, and I sure don't like it slinging mud on my truck. There's another gully washer right there. good sized hill up here we gotta climb here in a minute. Back a gear. There we go. I think I can pull it in this gear here. Loader truck coming out. Loader truck coming out of the woods. That's a pretty good hill here. Old Red just pulling that load right up this hill. Lily's helping too. Oh man, I love it. Never gets old. No Cummins is talking to. That's another gear there. Looking low logs. Yeah, water and all those ditches. Junkyard or something here. Got all kind of vehicles. Guess a man can't have too many old pickups. Got a skidder there. So anyway, I'm at the end of Ugly Creek Road. I successfully made it up that hill there. Didn't even slip a tire. Hopefully, I can get some footage down there at the mill. I can't guarantee it, just depends on how many trucks is waiting, but if so, I'll be back shortly for that. Alright, well, we made it down to the mill. I made it down here to Thompson Appalachian Hardwoods, Southern Tennessee. I'll show y'all. He's getting my trailer unloaded. I got quite an inventory of logs down here. It's a good sized operation. Old Komatsu. There's 2 trucks behind me, all waiting to get unloaded. Sure is beautiful. Out in the distance you can see the mountains that I grew up on when I was a kid. It's the Cumberland Plateau. Grew up on those mountains. He's getting it done. He's got the back bunk yet. Old truck needs a bath. It's getting a little bit dirty and I don't like it. Still standing tall and proud though. Big old loader. Big fight there. Pretty logs laying back here in that big pile there. So some big logs. I don't know if you can see it or not. They got wood piled everywhere. Stacks of lumber there. got 2 left. He got them both there. Got me unloaded. I'm gonna hop in here and get back over and see if I can get me another. Now we got old Hammer coming in.
Big truck.
Yeah, that's a big truck.
Yeah, big rigger Hammer. I stopped over and unloaded over in Silver, Tennessee this morning. There's a fella over there, Hooper truck. He said, I seen you in that truck on YouTube last night. I said, I'm famous driver. Is that right? Yeah, you're in a Hooper truck. That's what he said. He said, I seen you in that truck on YouTube last night. I said, yeah, I'm pretty famous. I hear you. He's up there loading a load of scrag logs on the Waverly Woods, so you can just drop that off up there at 143. I don't think you'll make it because Waverly Woods closes at 4. Okay, I have to call you so you can get directions on it. Yeah, it's real easy to get to. You just go to Waverly and head west on 70, probably about a couple miles past Walmart out there. It's right there on your right. Okay, I think I've seen it. Yeah. Alrighty. I ain't seen that big car, sir. Oh, 10-4, however, y'all have a good one. I'll holler at you. Alrighty. Well, good. Be back next Saturday. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sure does, Hammer. I'll see you, bud. Back at you, driver.
Yeah, old Hammer's going to the woods to get one more and go to the house. So, anyway. What a beautiful day to drive out through here. It's just spring is here. It's warm in here. It's getting a little hot in this truck. I need to cut the AC on here in a little bit. But anyway, it's been a good day. I'm gonna get this load off. I got a load of poplar going to Fox Hardwoods in Franklin, Tennessee, and then I'll come back and drop the trailer off, head to the house, and do it again tomorrow. So, thank you. Me and old Red and Lily, we made it back to Linden, our little town here. I'm gonna go get something to eat here at my favorite place here. Video Corner Cafe. One of my favorite restaurants. It's been a good day, just a gorgeous, beautiful day. Old Red needs a bath. I don't like her dirty. There's Lily right there. Standing tall and proud. Yeah, we had a really good day. Moved quite a few loads today. Took another load over to Franklin after I passed Hammer there. But anyway, I just want to say thank you to everybody for the support you've given this channel. It's gone way further than I thought it would, and way quicker than I thought it would. We passed 400. And we're going to do another giveaway when we get to 500. And we got to get the giveaway for the 200 subscribers first. So by Thursday, March 20th at 6 o'clock in the evening will be the cutoff for that drawing on there. So go back to the original video and comment me if you still want to get put in for that drawing. I know we got a lot of names so far, and but if you still want to be in, you still got a few more days to get in on that. And then when we hit the 500 subscribers, we're going to do another drawing, and we'll get you'll get another and an Easton made hat as well with that. So we're looking forward to doing. But anyway, it's been a good day. We're going to go here and get something to eat. Call it a day. Probably be up by 3 o'clock in the morning. He's got another load preloaded for me already, and I'm gonna go ahead and get a good early start tomorrow. Hopefully I can get 3 or 4 loads in. So have a good night. Like and subscribe if you like what you see. Thank y'all very much. Good night.